Through this project, we had tried to imagine and capture the experience and feel of how it feels to be sitting under a shady tree, or how it is to feel like to have a thriving garden with butterflies and birds and flowers.
We have a kind of a layout with an entry gate and a road which kind of divides the site into several smaller plots. This being a very tight footprint, the strategy that we had was to kind of have minimum number of closed areas, designed in such a way that they can be closed by means of sliding doors. So you have, the moment you enter this house, you have this very large volumetric feel to this house. This is one of those projects where we have given a lot of importance to the internal volume. It's not just a flow-wise sort of a plan, it's kind of a volumetric sort of a layout.